Hello, and today is the 17th of March, which means it's St. Patrick's Day. So here's a funny expression dedicated to all our Irish friends. Aye! And today's expression is, it's a sham. A sham. And in today's joke, we're going to use the words rocks and shamrocks. What is a shamrock? A shamrock is the floral emblem that is the symbol of Ireland. It's that little green plant with the green leaves. And here's the joke. Why do Irish people wear shamrocks on St. Patrick's Day? Well, real rocks are really heavy and you can't wear them. Shamrocks, rocks. A rock that is a shamrock. A sham is when somebody has promised you something and then they deliver something it's false, that's not genuine. It's a hoax, it's fake. It's a big disappointment. Why is this joke funny? Well, shamrock sounds like a shamrock, which would be a false rock. So Irish people wear false rocks and a real... Oh, it's a terrible joke. Just have a great St. Patrick's night. Have a great time. Shlante. I think you pronounce it like that. Bye.